What's up guys, we're back with another video, and today we're gonna be making one of my childhood favorites. Do you ever have that one dish that just reminds you of your childhood? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly what that dish is for me. It's chicken Caesar salad, crispy romaine, creamy Caesar dressing, juicy blackened chicken breast, crispy bacon, crunchy croutons. This was one of my favorite meals growing up. And even when I was a chubby adolescent, you know, wider set, when we were out of romaine, I would even just eat crouton and Caesar dressing. So this dish hits home for me. Also brings me a little shame, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. Get ready. Let's make it. All right, first things first, we're gonna start off by making some croutons. All right, we just wanna get our loaf of bread and slice into cubes. Then we just grab our baking tray, toss on our bread, 2 cloves of thinly sliced garlic, a few sprigs of rosemary and thyme, then drizzle about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, some salt, and of course some black pepper. Then just use your hands and toss this all up. Then we'll just bake in a 350-degree oven for about 20 or 30 minutes. All right, now it's time to make our Caesar dressing. This is the most important part of the whole recipe. So you're gonna chop, then mince 1 clove of garlic. Right, and this is what makes the recipe so good. You cannot skip out on anchovies. I know some of you are gonna say, wah, I don't like anchovies. It adds such a depth of flavor that you just can't replace. Then we're gonna do the exact same thing with 2 fillets of anchovies. All right, now you need a heavy glass bowl. Then add your minced anchovy, your minced garlic, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, oh, just whatever it's called, 2 egg yolks, and whisk. Then drizzle in about 1/2 cup to 1 cup of olive oil, but make sure that you drizzle it in slowly while whisking. If you add the oil too quickly, it'll split. I like to leave it at about this consistency. Now just add some salt, some pepper, and a 1/4 cup of parm. Now mix it all together. It should look like this. Then you want to just taste for seasoning. It should taste pretty salty, because remember you're dressing all those leaves, and that's it, you have your homemade Caesar dressing. Croutons are ready. And try not to eat too many of them before you need them. All right, now we're just gonna make a quick blackening seasoning for our chicken. All right, super quick and easy. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1/2 tablespoon cayenne, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1/2 tablespoon kosher salt. Then just take your chicken breast and season it up with your spice and a little bit of oil. Then just sear in a cast iron or pan over medium heat. Cook it for about a minute or 2 on each side, then throw it in a 400-degree oven to finish until it reaches 165 internal temperature. It'll take about 7 or 8 minutes. All right guys, the hard work's over. Now it's just easy peasy. Get a large stainless steel bowl, then you want to dress the bowl itself. Just put a few spoonfuls around, then add your romaine. For the love of God, please wash and drain your lettuce early. There's nothing worse than a watery salad. Bacon that you cut up earlier, maybe a little bit of dressing on top. And then just get in there with your hands. Then add some more dressing if you want to, but this is good enough for me. Just look at how juicy that chicken breast is. All right, now we just plate up the last of your bacon bits. Slide on your chicken breast, some rough chopped parsley. Then we're just gonna shave on some more parm. And that's it, it's as simple as that. Bonehead, I forgot the croutons. There, and now it's as simple as that. And there you have it guys, chicken Caesar salad. Honestly, super easy to make at home. Honestly, it's all about the dressing. Super fresh, super creamy, tangy from the lemon, lots of herbs from the croutons. Honestly, just one of my favorite meals. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this. Comment below on what you want me to make next, and I'll see you in the next video.